Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to share with you my favorite lotion as of lately. It's Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. It repairs and heals extra dry skin with vitamin C, E, and B5. I've actually used Jergens before. I try not to go in the sun as much, and I try to just get a little bit of a tan from the Jergens tanning. It's like a self tanner lotion, so I've been using that, and lately I've had really dry skin just from the sun and stuff, and I'm always washing my hands with work and at home and everything, so it tends to really dry my skin out. I also have a mild eczema, so I definitely wanted to use something that would not interrupt that or hurt it. So I went and grabbed Jergens. They're a very well established brand. This is the 26.5 ounce bottle. I think you could buy it a little bit smaller too, but this is just, it made sense to get this one. So Jergens nourishes and heals. Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer helps you reveal deeply luminous, visibly healthier skin. This unique formula contains an illuminating HYDRALUCENCE blend as well as enriching vitamin C, E, and B5. Penetrates through 5 layers of the skin surface to repair, heal, and deeply nourish extra dry skin. I've been using this every morning, and I try to use it at night too, to kind of just rub in and help sink in your skin overnight, and as well as after I get out of the shower and dry off a little bit, I will use this then as well. So at least once or twice a day, I definitely try to moisturize my skin. Ingredients: water, glycerin, yada yada. Not too many things in there. There is some fragrance added. I try to keep it more natural when I'm using lotion, but this is fine. It really hasn't interrupted my eczema or bothered my skin at all. Jergens moisturizers are created to make a beautiful difference for your skin, a difference you can actually see, feel, and experience. Only our formulas are made with an illuminating HYDRALUCENCE blend. Restore your skin's deep luminosity to reveal skin that's never looked so beautiful. So I don't see a lot of lotions that have this HYDRALUCENCE. I hope I'm saying it right. I don't see that a lot on a lot of brands. So that definitely caught my attention, and I'm like, all right, I need something, just a good lotion that I know is from a brand that's well known, that's going to be good, well established, and something that's going to restore my dry skin. And this is great in the winter or the summer. Summer you get dry from the sun, winter you get dry from the cold, especially if you're not properly protecting your skin with gloves and stuff like that. In New York, the weather could be very extreme, could go from negative 10 degrees, and then be not so cold the next day, and then that can mess with your skin. And also in the summer, it gets very, very hot and very humid, and sometimes it's not so humid, and then that dry heat can just really dry your skin out, especially if sometimes I'm working in the yard and stuff like that, and I'll notice I have cracks in my hands and stuff. Right now I don't have that right now. I'm about to reapply my lotion. I'm definitely a little dry. I got a facial recently, and the woman that did my facial was like, your skin's very dry on your face, because I was over exfoliating and I didn't realize. So this has definitely been helping me with that. And I'm just going to show you guys. I just wanted to show you guys the consistency of the product. So I feel it's not too thick, not too thin, maybe a teeny bit watery, but for the most part really good. Just rubbing it in right now. It just feels really good on your skin. It feels very, very soothing. I try to especially put it around my knuckles and on my knees, elbows. You guys see, I just rubbed it in. It doesn't look greasy or anything. It just feels nice. Feels nice and soothing, and my skin feels smooth after using it. Especially great after shaving. If you use it on your legs, that feels nice too. I do have on these little bumps on the back of my elbows. They're called keratosis pilaris, and a dermatologist actually told me a couple years back when I went to go get a treatment for my eczema, because I get these little eczema patches on my legs once in a while, and they're like, oh, there's unfortunately not much you could do for it. I just try to really exfoliate, and I've been using this on the back of my arms. I heard that it's more common. It's another word for it is chicken skin. It's these little, they're not so noticeable, but they bother me. They're not itchy or painful or anything like that, but they're just like these little red bumps on the back of my arms, and I heard it's very common in women, so I've been putting this on there, and I feel like it's definitely less noticeable since I've been using this lotion on that part of my skin. So I think it's been really helpful in just keeping my skin smooth and hydrated throughout all these crazy months. So I hope if you guys see some Jergens Ultra Healing, you pick it up, and I hope you like it. And I definitely hope that you found this video useful. Have a great night, guys.